Hey, my name is Chuck, and I own an SEO agency, and we specialize in search engine optimization and getting local businesses just like yours ranked to the top of Google to bring you more business. And I did a keyword search for Charleston Roofing, and that's obviously what most people would search for their roofing needs in Charleston, whether residential or commercial. And these are some companies that are doing ads. This top part is what we call the map pack, and then you get into the organic rankings, and you probably recognize some of these competitors. Charleston Roof, this is a directory listing. Baker Roofing, Charleston Roofs and Windows. And so I kept looking for your company and found you on page 5. And scroll down here. Here we go. Statesville Roofing. And went to your site, and looks like you've been in business a long time. That's awesome. And but if you're looking for more customers, and as you probably know, 80% of all new searches choose one of the top 3 search results that were back on this page 1. So these companies are getting most of the new business. So if you'd like to be getting more of that business, there's I found a couple things you can do on your site, which I do want to mention. You've got some great pictures. Hopefully your web person is, with all these nice images, putting some image tags in there. That's something that will signal Google to pick you up and rank you a little more higher as well. But one of the biggest things that Google looks at is, do they trust your site? In order to build trust, they look at what is your heading tag, your H1 and H2 tags. And your heading tag reads celebrating our 80th year. And so for Google to pick that up, they really want to know what your site is about and make it congruent with what folks are searching for in for their roofing needs in Charleston. So if you can make your heading tag Charleston Roofing, and then you could after that put in your company name. That'll show Google exactly what your site's about and push you up in the rankings. The other thing to look at is your metadata or your title tag. This says Charleston Commercial Roofing, and that's good. What the title tag is this blue line here. And if you can make that congruent with the header tag, as in Charleston Roofing, and then have a vertical line and put in commercial roofing or your company name, and then a vertical line, commercial roofing, if that's what you want to focus on, then that will push you up in the rankings a lot more. I also did a search for Charleston Commercial Roofing and didn't find you on the first 7 pages. So these are just a couple simple things that you or your web person can do to push up in ranks. There's more things that you can do. We do this for companies all over the United States, get them ranked to the first page of Google, and so that you pick up, you can double or even triple your revenue by just getting on that first page. So if we can help you, let us know. Thanks. Have a good day.